What if I told you this tiny projector could replace your TV for a fraction of the price, but there's one catch that almost nobody talks about? Meet the Philips NeoPix 150, a compact Full HD 1080p projector designed for movie nights, gaming, and streaming. It can project up to an 80-inch screen, features a 180-degree rotating stand, automatic keystone correction, wireless screen mirroring over dual-band Wi-Fi, HDMI and USB ports, built-in stereo speakers, and an LED light source rated to last up to 30,000 hours. Now here's the reality. If you're expecting cinema-level brightness in a sunny room, you'll probably be disappointed. This projector performs best in a dark environment. Some users also mention that the fan can be noticeable and that the autofocus and image correction aren't always perfect. But if your goal is an affordable projector for your bedroom, dorm, or casual movie nights, the NeoPix 150 delivers impressive value for its price. So, is the Philips NeoPix 150 worth buying? If you understand it's a budget projector, not a $1,000 home theater, it offers solid features from a trusted brand and isn't a scam. The real question isn't whether it's perfect, it's whether it's the right projector for your budget. Follow for more honest tech reviews that save you money before you buy.